Got to get that rain out there. We've seen some. We want some more, of course. There is a live look right now out on the island. Look at that. Boy, it doesn't get much prettier than that. A lot of blue sky out there, just a few high clouds off in the distance there. You can see mostly sunny to sunny skies throughout the day today. And so therefore, looking pretty quiet, just some showers well offshore. It's going to be a hot and humid type of day across the area. Temperature's going to be close to normal, though, in the mid and upper 90s east to the lower 100s westward, upper 80s to near 90 degrees there along the coast. South-southeast winds already gusting up around 20 to 25 miles an hour. It's going to feel like about 100 to 106. So escape to the island, good place to be. UV index is very high, though. Make sure you use tons of sunscreen. Rip current risk is low, surf running 2 to 3 feet, and that water temperature is still a warm and toasty 83 degrees. Out on the bay, looking for choppy conditions this afternoon. That bay water temperature now up to 87. Looking at a sunset tonight at 8:03. So for us, we are looking out towards the tropics in the southern Gulf of Mexico for our next weather maker that's going to be possibly bringing us some good rainfall chances by the weekend. Right now, it's kind of slim, but again, the whole idea is what happens to this area of low pressure as it slowly moves up towards the northwest. It's going to have a small window in here of having a chance to get going. Right now, the Hurricane Center giving it a 60% chance that it could become a tropical depression over the next 24 to 48 hours. So there you go. That's what we're dealing with right now. So a little bit stronger, a little bit closer to the valley, we get more rainfall. A little bit weaker and further south, we get less rainfall across the area. So there's still a lot of uncertainty. So if you have travel plans this weekend, you're going to want to stick around and either, well, I would do both. Have the Valley Storm Team weather app, and also make sure you keep up to date with us on valleycentral.com and, of course, on air. So there is a pretty good blow up of showers and thunderstorms, especially over the last 4 or 5 hours or so. Earlier this morning, there wasn't a whole lot out there. So kind of a sign that it might be getting its act together a little bit. Hurricane Hunter aircraft is on its way out to take a look at it. So for today and tomorrow, highly favorable in the area shaded in red for tropical development. As we get to Saturday, that pushes a little bit further towards the coastal areas. Again, that window is going to be very small as far as whether this system becomes anything more than what it is, and that's an area of low pressure that's pushing a lot of tropical moisture up in our direction over the coming days as well. So that's going to be the first key, getting the tropical moisture in place. Then the tropical low is the lift we need to get that shower and thunder shower activity going. And again, it's going to be a small window. Here is the spaghetti model, the computer forecast. Again, a lot of them take it a little bit further towards the south. Some take it a little bit closer to Brownsville and Harlingen. So again, this is going to be kind of a wait and see type of deal for tomorrow. But regardless, the rainfall estimates not looking real impressive out there. Half an inch to an inch for the lower valley, possibly a tenth to a quarter of an inch as you go into the mid and upper valley. There is the Hurricane Hunter aircraft right now. It has taken off from Gulfport and making its way towards that system. So we'll get some more information coming up over the next few hours as they get into the center of that area of low pressure. Don't forget the Valley Storm Team weather app. It's available for free in your app store. As we mentioned before also, there's a lot of area communities that are doing sandbag distributions either today or coming up. So go to valleycentral.com for that as well. There is your 7-day forecast. And so Pauline, this weekend, especially tomorrow's really going to be tomorrow evening, early Sunday morning, the best shot to see some rain around here. And again, timing, strength, all of that is still a lot of uncertainty out there. Still a lot of kind of roll the dice type of deal. Yeah. So we'll know more later on today.
Yeah, we need the rain and we need that dry weather afterwards. So we can get rid of that standing water.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jim.